Welcome to this tutorial where I will be demonstrating how to express one number as a percent of another number, and we will be rounding our answers to one decimal place, and we will also be using a calculator to help us solve these problems. So let's begin by looking at question A, where it says express 6 as a percent of 16. So what this means is 6 out of 15. 15 is the total amount, and 6 is part of that amount. So we can express that statement as a fraction that looks like this. And what this means is 6 divided by 15, because the fraction bar means divided by. And if we were to type this into our calculator and then type in the percent button, we would arrive at the correct answer. So let's try that. Let's get our calculator into the game and type that in. 6 divided by 15, percent button, and push the equals button. And we end up with 40%. And that's how simple that is. Let's do the second one down here. It says express 24 as a percentage of 30. So 30 is our denominator, and 24 is our numerator. What that means is 24, the fraction bar means divided by 30. So if I just then type in the percent button and then the equals button, I will get the answer. So let's see what this is. Go back to my calculator, type in 24 divided by 30, percent equals 80. So the answer is 80%. And that really is all there is to it.